This 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 178 BHSK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, smoke detector, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, water heater, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 178 BHSK is 3,749 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.